Hello guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an exclamation mark on a document or on a page. So if you want to type the in here, you can see it is under number 1. On some keyboard it might not even be written under number 1. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So to do this, you can either do it on your computer or on your laptop. So I'll go ahead and open a blank page here. And I want just go ahead and add an exclamation mark after hello. And as you can see, it is at number 1. Now, if I go ahead and tap on number 1 key, it will not add the exclamation mark, but instead it will add number 1. To type the exclamation mark, all you need to do is to change the operation or the function of this number 1 key using the shift button. So what you need to do is to go ahead and press on the shift button on your laptop or on your computer, and then using the other finger, now you can go ahead and click on number 1, and look at that, the exclamation sign has been added. If you want to add several of them, now you can go ahead and tap as many times as you wish, as long as the shift key is pressed. So that's how you add an exclamation mark on a document using your keyboard. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.